continue. He leads, verse 19, he leads priests away, stripped and overthrows officials long established. Yeah, hata priest, unajua I've come to find out many people, kawaida, watu wengi, kwa sababu hata mimi ni mtu. But right now, because of salvation and because of me seeing Jesus and getting born again, a lot of things are being revealed to me. So one of the things I've for sure seen is this thing of kuweka priests, kuweka pastors, kuweka watu wenye popes, watu wenye wako spiritual leaders, watu wanakaa, what they behave is like they have a higher standard than the rest. Mimi unakuja hata uone in the Old Testament wenye walikuwa wanajenganga ile temple, ilikuwa mpaka atina section. Kuna section ya the Holy of Holies, kuna section ya Low Holy, kuna section ya sijui men, alafu kuna Gentiles huko mwisho. You see now here, but the real truth is, as long as Jesus Christ is your savior, you're headed for heaven. It does not matter whether you are a priest. It does not matter whether you are anything. The basic line ni Jesus Christ, because there's none of us who can earn their salvation. Like I've told you this and again and again. Even one of the things for sure I've even come to realize is you can't self-sustain self-righteousness, because with time itaisha. It's like this thing you keep hearing watu wakisema money is everything, or getting something itakupatia some form of like yani kutosheka. In real sense it will not, because these are just ni kwa muda. For some, you see, even if you have money, let's say you have money, sisi wote we all think that money ndio ni kama itakufurahisha, itakupatia everything. But you see, money, yes, it can give you the stability in life, it can give you a good name, hata unaweza inaweza kuwa kitu fiti. But you see, you can't self-sustain it, because even ukifika part, what about when it comes to death? Kwa mtu afike hivi waambie kifo, haya sasa shika hii pesa nyingine alafu ndo nisikufe. You see, bado God is above everything, because even what if you have money, you can't bribe death, you can't bribe God. You see, that is why our righteousness is in Jesus Christ. That is why itaiisha.